Saving money with a weekly paycheck can be streamlined with these strategies. Number one, create a weekly budget. Track your income and expenses on a weekly basis. Now, this is going to help you see where your money is going and where you can cut back. Number two, automate savings. So set up automatic transfers to your savings account each week right after you receive a paycheck. Aim for a specific percentage to make savings a priority. All right? Number three, you got to divide your pay. So use the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. All right? Number four, plan for irregular expenses. Identify and set aside money for irregular expenses like repairs or gifts to avoid being caught off guard. All right? Number five, limit impulse purchases. So before making non-essential purchases, implement a waiting period of 24 hours to decide if it's truly necessary. Number six, utilize cash envelopes. Consider using cash envelopes for discretionary spending categories to control overspending. Number seven, take advantage of bonuses. If you receive extra pay, like holidays or whatever it is, saving a larger portion of that income is going to help you a lot. By implementing these practices, you can effectively save money while managing your weekly income.